Raizi Tool, good tools, easy work. Since 2006, Raizi Tool is a professional tools supplier for OEM service in China. We always offer quality tools for stone fabrication, polished concrete, tile installation, Grabo electric lifter, and floor restoration and maintenance. Customers can expect as below: prompt and professional reply with friendliness, honesty, and respect. Reasonable price with cost-performance products, quality guarantee of satisfaction. 3-day shipping from China for in-stock tools. 7 to 14 days for non-stock. Especially in 2009, we introduced the blue Raizi brand air wet polishers to customers with cost performance. Customers are surprised with the quality against the price. Now it's very popular on stone fabrication market in USA and European. From year of 2014, we stepped to diamond tools for polished concrete floor. Our innovative metal bond concrete grinding tools, sharp cut ceramic diamond polishing pads, concrete polishing pads have become our shining stars in polished concrete floor industry. We are expanding more business categories into diamond tools and handling tools for tile installation, diamond tools for floor restoration and maintenance, diamond saw blades for granite, diamond cup wheels, installation tools, material handling devices, and more. Our goal remains the same as the time the company was founded. It is to bring people quality and innovative tools with affordable prices in order to make work easier, faster, and more environmentally